Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today we came up with an interesting video wherein we will learn how to create this progress bar, wherein we can see all the details accurately with the help of progress bar. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Check out our playlist. You will find approximately 350 plus video. Those will help you in cracking the interviews on trainers, team leader, Six Sigma certification, quality analyst, operation manager, operation team leader, associate KPIs, call center, people management related questions, MS Excel reports, dashboards. Approximately, you will get everything which you are looking for to crack the interview. 7 quality tools and all. Okay, so don't miss out, guys. Check out our playlist and don't miss to subscribe our channel. Let's learn today about this particular progress bar. It's quite easy, guys. How to do that? We have to use certain functions and we have to use certain ribbons, I would say, from the developer tab, and we can easily create it. So let me start this in a fresh. So what I'll do, I'll just go to formula, sorry, page layout. In page layout, let me remove grid lines and let me remove the header also. Okay, this is done. Now we have to we want to create the progress bar. In order to create a progress bar, we need one progress bar. So before that, we will just add one merge center in order to create a progress bar. Now this is done, and here we will add the title. So let me copy paste the titles from here, and this is our raw data, by the way, guys. This is our raw data. Okay, in sheet 2 we have the raw data. Let me rename it as a raw data. I'll do it later. So what we are doing, from sheet 1 we'll copy all these details, control C and control V. This is done, and let me add one more tab here, control C, control V, and remove this. And here we have to add the progress bar. So we go to developer tab on the top. You can see a developer tab. Here we have the toolbox. Here we can use scroll bar. Where is the scroll bar? Let us search. Yes, here we go, the scroll bar. So we got the scroll bar, and just drag the scroll bar here. Okay, let me increase the side. Okay, that's it, it's done. Now let me resize it. So right click, format control. Okay, current value we have to keep 1, minimum value 1, maximum value I have 20 entries, so 20. This all remains same, and here we have to add cell link. So we are linking with this particular cell, and enter. Okay, this is done. Now here we need this data. So what we will do is we will use index function. Now it is asking us the array, which means we have all the arrays in our raw data. Okay, this is the raw data. So let me copy from A to A20, then comma, again go to sheet 3, and here we will choose the cell link, which is h4, and we have to give dollar in the starting of the h and after the h, so that it will remains constant. Okay, this is done, and enter. We got the associate one. Control C and drag it here, control V. This is also done. And now let me add border. Oh, sorry, let me add the border so the design looks good. All border. Okay, that's all. Now we can see it will work. See, it's moving, or all details are moving. Whatever we have created, the details are moving, right? So in this way we can create a scroll bar. What is the use of scroll bar here? It will save our space. Rather than keeping all the 20 entries here, we can use this scroll bar and it will save our space, guys. Still have any doubt? Let me know, guys. Definitely I will help you in the comment section. But this is quite easy, and definitely use this scroll bar in order to get your all the details accurately in a dashboard. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Don't miss to check our playlist, and don't miss to check our Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook page. You will get all the upcoming job related information there. We have lots of work from home opportunities going on. Please check out our Instagram, follow us, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.